This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Steph D. Fole. Enjoy spacious living on Bloomington's southeast side. This home has been immaculately maintained and boasts a welcoming, open floor plan. The main level features a large kitchen that opens to the living room with gas fireplace, a formal dining room, and a sunroom overlooking the patio and pool. Upstairs, the primary suite features a brand new ensuite bath including a stand-alone tub, double vanity and tiled shower, 2 additional bedrooms with an updated Jack and Jill bath, and a bonus room that could be a 4th bedroom. The backyard is great for relaxation or entertaining. Please allow 72 hours for response to any offers. For more information, review the details below or contact Steph D. Fole at 812-606-7305.